This Chinese tomato and egg stir fry is traditional comfort food in China. We're going to start by cracking 8 eggs into a medium bowl and whisking them with a fork until they're well blended. Then we're going to add salt, white pepper, and sesame oil and whiskey again until they're well combined. Now we're going to take 4 to 5 medium to large tomatoes, chop them up, and place them in a pan with about 2 tablespoons of butter. Cook them until they just start to fall apart. Remove the tomatoes from the pan and add those eggs to the pan drippings. You're going to cook them low and slow, scraping with a rubber spatula as it cooks. Continue cooking, stirring constantly until the eggs come together and are still a little wet. Add the tomatoes and 1 teaspoon of soy sauce to the pan and cook one more time, whisking until everything is well combined. Garnish with scallions and devour.